Here are today's biggest moves on the Indian stock market, analyzed straight from the exchange filings by flashfinance.news. 10 stories, ordered by market value from the largest company down, what changed, the key numbers, why it matters, and what to watch. Let's get into it. Story 1. Indian Overseas Bank. CARE upgrades IOB Tier 2 bonds to A+, from A, outlook stable. What changed? CARE Ratings upgraded IOB's long-term debt rating by one notch to A+, and reaffirmed its A1+ rating for certificates of deposit. The key numbers. Tier 2 bonds value, Rs 2,665 crore. Certificate of deposit limit, Rs 20,000 crore. Gross NPA, June 2026 1.33%. Net NPA, June 2026 0.18%. Capital adequacy ratio, 19.36%. CASA ratio, June 2026 41.05%. Why it matters? A higher credit rating reflects a stronger balance sheet and lower risk profile, which can lead to reduced borrowing costs for the bank and improved investor confidence. What to watch? Watch for the bank's ability to sustain net interest margins, NIM, which moderated to 2.90% in FY26, and monitor the impact of potential repo rate cuts on lending yields. Story 2. India Siemens Capital. Open offer for 56,43,612 shares, 26% stake, by new acquirers in India Siemens Capital. What changed? A group of individual acquirers has triggered a mandatory open offer to acquire a 26% stake in the company, signaling a change in the controlling interest or significant shareholding. The key numbers. Open offer size, shares 56,43,612. Open offer stake percent, 26.0%. June 2026 quarter revenue, Rs 1.48 crore. June 2026 quarter net profit, Rs 0.04 crore. Company net worth, June 2026 Rs 18.34 crore. Why it matters? For a microcap NBFC with limited revenue, Rs 5 crore TTM, a change in ownership is a major event that could lead to a turnaround, fresh capital, or a new strategic focus for the business. What to watch? Investors should monitor the specific offer price per share, once fully disclosed in the letter of offer, and the timeline for the tendering period. Watch for any changes in the business direction or capital infusion plans from the new acquirers. Story 3. RR Metal Makers India. 70.66% stake sale at Rs 23.85 share triggers change in control and open offer. What changed? The company is undergoing a complete change in ownership and management control as the existing promoters exit and a new set of acquirers takes over. The key numbers. Stake being sold, 70.66%. Deal price per share, Rs 23.85. Current market price, Rs 64.0. Total deal value, Rs 15.18 crore. Deal value versus net worth, tilted to 53%. Open offer size, 26%. Why it matters? For a microcap company with a Rs 50 crore market cap and negative TTM PAT of Rs 2 crore, a change in leadership is a critical event that could redefine its operational and financial trajectory. What to watch? Investors should monitor the upcoming open offer documents for details on the new management's background and their strategic plans to turn around the loss-making business. Story 4. Rotographics, India. Rotographics to acquire stake in Tenaron Ltd, Rs 708 crore FY25 revenue target. What changed? Rotographics is transitioning from a small-scale paper trading and distributor business into a large-scale industrial aluminum recycling platform. The key numbers. Tenaron FY25 revenue, Rs 708 crore. Target revenue versus acquirer TTM revenue, 17.26%. Installed capacity, 48,000 plus TPA. Suzuki Gujarat supply share, 50%. Acquirer net worth, Rs 15 crore. Why it matters? The acquisition of a company with 17x the acquirer's revenue is transformational. It provides immediate entry into the automotive OEM supply chain and the high-growth recycled metals sector. What to watch? Investors should monitor the execution of definitive agreements to confirm the exact stake percentage, acquisition cost, and whether the deal involves significant equity dilution or debt. Story 5. City Networks. Rs 1,500 crore indebtedness, City Networks reports continued default on bank loans. What changed? The company has updated its mandatory disclosure regarding loan defaults, confirming that it remains unable to service its Rs 1,500 crore debt obligations while under insolvency proceedings. The key numbers. Total indebtedness, Rs 1,500 crore. Debt versus market cap, 5,357%. Net worth, Rs minus 1,369 crore. Default date, 30th June 2026. Largest single claim, Arcel Rs 340 crore. Why it matters? The disclosure underscores the company's severe financial distress, where total debt is over 50x its market value, making any recovery for retail shareholders highly dependent on a successful and favorable resolution plan. What to watch? Investors should closely monitor the Supreme Court's final judgment on fund remittances and the resolution professionals' progress in the SERP process, as equity value is at extreme risk of total wipeout. Story 6. Gokaldas Exports. 110 shareholders attend GOK's meeting to approve BRFL Textiles amalgamation. What changed? The company has completed the formal shareholder voting process required by the NCLT for the merger of BRFL Textiles into Gokaldas Exports. The key numbers. Meeting date, 31st July 2026. NCLT order date, 11th May 2026. Shareholder attendees, 110. Acquisition revenue contribution, FY25 34%. TTM revenue, Rs 3,988 crore. Promoter holding, 9.15%. Why it matters? This amalgamation is a significant structural move to scale operations and improve our ROCE, currently 12%, by integrating manufacturing capacities and gaining market share in the fragmented textile industry. What to watch? Monitor the official declaration of voting results and the subsequent final approval timeline from the NCLT to confirm the merger's effective date. Story 7. Ideaforge Technology. Rs 151 crore in principal loan approval from TDB for Rs 302 crore, Yeti, logistics drone project. What changed? Ideaforge has secured government-backed low-cost financing support for its next-generation heavy-lift drone platform, moving beyond its traditional ISR focus. The key numbers. Project cost, Rs 302.00 crore. Proposed loan, Rs 151.00 crore. Interest rate, 4% PA project cost versus TTM revenue, 133.04%. Loan versus net worth, 24.35%. Why it matters? The project cost exceeds the company's annual revenue, indicating a major strategic pivot into unmanned logistics. The 4% interest rate provides a low-cost capital advantage compared to market rates. What to watch? Investors should monitor the transition from this in-principle LOI to a definitive binding agreement and track the company's progress in securing the matching Rs 151 crore from private sources. Story 8. Setco Automotive. Rs 215 crore final consideration for Saspal stake sale, Rs 7.4 crore released from holdback. What changed? The final sale price for the Saspal divestment was confirmed at a higher value than initially estimated, and the holdback amount was partially settled and paid to Setco. The key numbers. Final purchase consideration, Rs 215 crore. Initial estimated consideration, Rs 185 crore. Consideration versus market cap, till the 72%. Holdback amount released, Rs 7.4 crore. Adjustment, downward Rs 2.6 crore. Why it matters? This provides a significant liquidity boost to a loss-making company, TTM PAT of Rs minus 162 crore, and helps validate the valuation of its divested assets, potentially aiding in debt deleveraging. What to watch? Investors should monitor the upcoming quarterly results to see how this cash inflow is utilized, specifically regarding debt reduction given the company's high finance costs and negative TTM PAT. Story 9. Capillary Technologies India. Capillary Technologies appoints KPMG for forensic audit over suspected banking fraud. What changed? The company has escalated its response to a suspected banking fraud by appointing an external Big Four firm, KPMG, for a formal forensic investigation. The key numbers. December 2025 quarterly revenue, Rs 184.035 crore. December 2025 net profit, Rs 7.991 crore. Institutional descent on ESOPs, 49.7440%. Initial incident disclosure date, 6 July 2026. Why it matters? This indicates a potential breach in internal financial controls. Given the company's relatively thin quarterly margins, Rs 7.99 crore PAT on Rs 184 crore revenue, any significant fraud could materially impact the bottom line and investor confidence. What to watch? Investors should monitor upcoming disclosures for the forensic audit's findings and the specific quantum of financial loss. The impact on internal control ratings and potential regulatory scrutiny from SEBI are key factors to watch. Story 10. Requena Laboratories. 77.33% post-offer promoter holding as Requena Laboratories completes open offer at Rs 10. What changed? The company has undergone a change in control with the new acquirer group now holding a 77.33% majority stake following the completion of an open offer and share swap agreement. The key numbers. Offer price, Rs 10. Actual shares accepted, 14,41,863. Post-offer promoter group holding, 77.33%. Post-offer public holding, 23.00%. Offer price versus current price, minus 60.5%. Why it matters? For a microcap company with stressed financials, negative net worth, and ROCE, a change in promoter group is a critical event that could lead to capital infusion or a change in business direction. What to watch? Investors should monitor the company's plan to comply with the minimum public shareholding (MPS) requirement of 25%, as the current public holding is 23%. That's today's market wrap. For the full AI analysis of every NSE and BSE filing, visit flashfinance.news. Like and subscribe for daily market updates. Educational analysis, not investment advice.